And Sean's got another one on.
Keep fighting, keep fighting. Keep.
Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Hey Truex fam, what is up? We are out here at our first little day hike in Oregon. It's Sunday, it's getting close to evening. We don't have a ton of time, but we figured we could do a quick video and show you guys what Oregon's like. We found the closest place we could go to get out on public land. We're in the Molalla corridor, which is along this beautiful river here, and you can see the view is incredible, right? I gotta say, I am loving Oregon. This is what, like 15, 20 minutes away from home, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, we could just come out here and do this. And here's the cool thing. So we're gonna walk over here and we're gonna show you guys this waterfall we found. That's just one of the random places of water coming off of a mountain, which we're super excited about. And yeah, we are loving our time in Oregon so far. Been here a week and I gotta say it's gorgeous. I mean, when we drive places and everything, it's like, it's hard to describe. You're driving and then you look off to your left or your right and there's this giant mountain in your view. It's absolutely gorgeous and we are so excited to see not only what the Lord's doing here for us, but what we can bring to you guys as far as our outdoor content. So let's go find that waterfall. What do you guys think? Huh? Isn't this awesome? That's just, oh, I thought that was a rainbow, wasn't it? So we decided to drive to the other side of that bridge so that way we could not walk across the two-lane bridge. It didn't really have any spot for us. But we got this view too, so that's kind of cool. Just incredible. 15, 20 minutes away from home. There's my wife taking a selfie. Dangerous. Yeah, there's a truck coming. Truck traffic. I love all the old man's beard. I believe that's what that is, that lichen that's growing on the trees. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a good fire starter, especially in a wet area like this. What amazes me sometimes is how God provides ways to live wherever you are. So this waterfall is back over here. And it's going to be a little bit of a scramble to be able to get to it, looks like.
We're getting to it?
I mean, if we want to take pictures.
I mean, okay. I'm cool with that.
Yeah, it's hard. Can't really see, and it'd be hard. I guess, are you guys okay with me and Philip trying to get back there?
Sure.
All right, Flip, let's do it. I made it through this far. That was kind of hard. There's Hanny and Finn over there with Zoe and Julie. Looks like Phyllis made it this far. We're getting closer. Let's see if I can maybe film a little while I try to navigate this without falling in, preferably. Alright, I got to step over this. I really kind of just sit over it. Yo! What's that? I'm doing alright. Are you doing okay? Hey, look at all this old man's beard. That's awesome. Woo! Hey, bud. Well, that's far enough. Yeah. What? With all these trees, though, these trees were burned and they're weak. There's another waterfall up there. Can you see it from there? Ah. All right, no further though. Oh, it's hard to walk on. Oh, you weren't kidding. Wow. Oh yeah, there is probably. That's cool. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see that maybe. Oh, good call, Flip. What do you think? You like living up here? Think this is a good chapter for Truex Outdoors next? Or a good next chapter for Truex Outdoors?
You know what would be the best chapter?
Look at that. That beauty. Yeah. It would be fun, you're right. But not right now. Maybe when we're more prepared and we have the GoPro.
Maybe when we have insurance.
Yeah, that too. But wow, that's a big leaf. So guys, like, this is awesome. This is so cool. Like 20 minutes from our house and mountains and everything. Oh, those are pretty cool. Look at the size of those leaves. Man, check that out. That's awesome.
There's a cave.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
It's a water cave.
really? Philip, stay up here with the dog, dude.
He already tried going down to the river.
Of course he did.
Yeah. The dog did, I mean.
Of course he did.
I stopped him with the leash.
Oh, that's cool. Couple of guys fishing over there. Looks like they're doing some float fishing for some steelies. This is awesome, guys. This is incredible. Alright, so I know this was a short video just to highlight our first little outing into the Oregon wilderness. Wow! I cannot say enough how incredible it is to be out here and to think that this is where we're living. This is where we get to go and play now. Do we miss Michigan? Of course, and Michigan has its own unique beauty, but I am so excited to bring to you guys what we're going to get to explore Oregon together. We're going to get to do this together. So I am so excited to be able to bring all this to you guys and really enjoy this with you all. So let's make, obviously this coming year I've got a lot of transitions to go through. I'm working on the church and everything else, but let's make this year incredible, huh? Until next time, God bless. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all the new content that we post regularly. Also, if you would like to see more from Truax Outdoors, check out our channel where we have playlists with hundreds of other videos like this one. And as always, until next time, God bless.